This video is about a building we're building for our sawmill. Trying to do it as cheap as I can. By the way, it's been hot around here. I want you to look at my truck thermometer. And also, this is around 9/11 when we're doing this video, and we will never forget. Okay, we started off with we poured a concrete pad. I'm gonna do a kind of a prefab metal type building. We're just gonna set it on top of the concrete pad. Did some 8-inch drop footers on the sides of it. We didn't get a lot of video of putting it up, but the side walls come prefabbed, and we just set trusses on it. It took 3 of us about an hour to set this building up like you saw it to start with. You know, there's 4 sides, truss on each end, and then it set by itself. Came back a little bit later on, anchored it down to the concrete. There it is after we've got it put up and anchored down, and we started putting on some purlins and rafter studs, and we'll just kind of see how it goes. I'll do some more videos later, maybe for an update. Thanks for watching.